Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to share with you the best budget PC build you can get for just rupees 50,000. First up, we have the Intel Core i5-12400F processor. This processor offers 6 cores and 12 threads with turbo boost of up to 4.4 GHz, making it an excellent choice for both gaming and multitasking under this price point. Now you might be wondering how it stacks up against its main competitor, the AMD Ryzen 5 5600X. The Intel 12400F scores around 12,000 in the Cinebench R23 multi-core test and about 1,600 in the single-core test. In comparison, the AMD Ryzen 5 5600X scores approximately 11,500 in the multi-core test and around 1,500 in the single-core test. While both processors perform admirably, the Intel 12400F has a slight edge, especially in single-core performance, which is great for gaming. Paired with the processor, we have 16 GB of 3200 MHz single-channel RAM. This capacity is sufficient for modern gaming and multitasking. To allow for future upgrades, we opted for single-channel memory instead of dual-channel memory. Now for the graphics card, we have the RTX 3050 with 6 GB of VRAM. This card is fantastic for 1080p gaming, offering great performance in most modern titles. It's also future-proof enough to handle upcoming games and supports ray tracing and DLSS for an enhancing gaming experience. Let's talk about benchmarks. In terms of gaming performance, this build delivers impressive results. In popular titles like Cyberpunk 2077, you'll be able to achieve a solid 60 FPS on high settings at 1080p. For esports titles like CSGO and Valorant, expect frame rates well above 150 FPS, ensuring a smooth and responsive gaming experience. For storage, we've got a 1TB NVMe SSD. This means no more long loading times, just super fast boot speed. With the SSD, your system will run smoothly and efficiently, and you'll have plenty of space for all your games and apps. A motherboard is the H610. It's a solid, budget-friendly choice that offers all the necessary features without breaking the bank. It's perfect for this build and keeps everything running smoothly. Powering this build is a 600 watt power supply. It's reliable and provides enough juice to keep all your components running efficiently even when you're pushing your system to the limit. Finally, all of these components are housed in a sleek cabinet with 4 ARGB fans. Not only does this keep your system cool, but it also adds a touch of style with customizable ARGB lighting. Overall, the benchmarks prove that this build is more than capable for both gaming and professional use. So to sum it up, Intel Core i5-12400F processor, RTX 3050 6GB graphics card, 16GB 3200 MHz RAM, 1TB NVMe SSD and a stylish cabinet with ARGB fans, all for just rupees 50,000. This build offers incredible performance and value. It's an excellent choice for anyone aiming to maximize their budget. However, if you can stretch your budget a bit, upgrading to 32GB of RAM and RTX 3060 graphics card would be a worthwhile consideration. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech reviews and builds. Drop your comments below if you have any questions or need further recommendations. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Happy computing!